EU ocean wave grade again 37. We see how the TT is really growing our concerns, the Trump tariffs. And everybody's thinking about, are the Chinese going to retaliate? Is Mexico and Canada going to what about Europe? Yeah, then, dear EU government members, did you realize the potential of just one wave every 300 meters? Let's say Mundaka, for example, Osegor, Lacanau, Anglet, Cornwall, yes. Why not? Then, one Ireland, one wave generates every 300 meters, 300 jobs, perpetual. People healthy, smiley, yes, and an economy, ecological. If we just make these rocks, I know many waves that have been eliminated from Europe. In the Canary Islands, no longer available. In my local beach back here, they really put these river mouths destroying the sandbars. There used to be a sandbar in the left and in the right, well, in the middle of the beach, that was generating perfect left, perfect right. Those disappeared. Of course, you politicians don't know what you're talking about. You don't know nothing about generating utility and environmental and jobs. Imagine 1,000 kilometers north of Spain, every 300 meters, 300 families. Think about it and really be positive about it. Don't just talk about the TT, the Trump tariffs. Yes, that's what they want. But how about talk about the tariffs here, reducing Social Security from 33 or 35% towards 15, reducing profit tax to 5%, reducing income tax to 10%, using 50,000 public buildings in Spain to give houses to 20 million. Each one government building does allow 100 families times 4 members. Imagine. So then why aren't we positive about generating European ocean waves today? Thank you. Bye.